Ciao studenti! Let's learn and practice ordinal numbers in Italian together. First of all, what are ordinal numbers? They are numbers that tell you the order of something or somebody in a list. For example, when you say the first, the second, the third, or the first to arrive, the 11th floor, these are ordinal numbers and are the ones that we're going to learn today, how to say them in Italian. These in Italian are called I numeri ordinali. I numeri ordinali. The first 10, you need to memorize them. And a quick curiosity, they are derived from Latin, the ancient Roman language. So let's memorize them. Let's learn and memorize them. Primo. Primo. Secondo. Secondo. Terzo. Terzo. Quarto. Quarto. Quinto. Quinto. Sesto. Sesto. Settimo. Settimo. Ottavo. Ottavo. Nono. Nono. And finally we have decimo. Decimo. Okay, let's repeat them real quick together. Primo. Secondo. Terzo. Quarto. Quinto. Sesto. Settimo. Ottavo. Nono. Decimo. Perfetto. So these first 10 ones, you need to memorize them. But after the 10th, after decimo, they actually get easier because there's a rule to form them. And the rule is super simple. After the 10th, just add esimo to the regular numbers. So the numbers that you know, per esempio 11, 12, 13, the regular numbers. You take the regular number, you drop the final vowel, and you add esimo. That's how you make ordinal numbers from 11th upwards. Let's see a few together. Let's suppose we want to say 11th. We take the regular number for 11, which is 11. We drop the final vowel, so let's remove it, and we add esimo. And there you have it. Undicesimo. Undicesimo. Perfetto. Let's do this again with 12. How do you say 12 in Italian? Dodici. So, 12. We drop the final vowel and we add esimo. Dodicesimo. Dodicesimo. Let's see a few more. 13, 13. Let's drop the final vowel. Let's add esimo. Tredicesimo. Tredicesimo. Let me show you a few more. Quattordicesimo. Quattordicesimo. 14th. Quindicesimo. Quindicesimo. 15th. And so forth. Like for example, ventesimo. Ventesimo, the 20th. Perfetto. So that's how you make ordinal numbers in Italian. The first 10, you have to memorize them. The other ones, you just drop the final vowel and add esimo to the regular number. And if you don't know your numbers in Italian, well, no worries. I have a whole playlist about Italian numbers and many videos where we go through all the numbers from 0 to thousands together in different videos, of course. So please watch them. You need those videos to practice with this one. Now, let me show you a little bit of example, a few example sentences with ordinal numbers. Something I want you to remember is that technically they are adjectives, but they don't go after the noun, like it usually happens in Italian. They go before the noun. So remember the placement. These numbers go before the noun exactly as in English. So for example, if you want to say they live on the 3rd floor, you would say exactly the same thing in Italian. They live on the 3rd floor. 3rd floor. In Italian, abitano al terzo piano. Okay, so the placement of the number is before the noun, like in English. Let's see a few more sentences. He's the first of his class. È il primo della classe. He is the first of the class, we say, not of his class. È il primo della classe. Perfetto. Another one. If you want to say, it's the second time I go to Italy, how do we say that? È la seconda volta che vado in Italia. È la seconda volta che vado in Italia. Something I want you to notice, very important. These are adjectives. They go before the noun, but they are adjectives. And being adjective, that means that you need to change the ending to match the gender and number of the word they refer to. So in this case, you're saying it's the second time. So second is referring to time. In this instance, to translate time, we use the word volta, which is a feminine word. Therefore, you need to change secondo into seconda because it's referring to volta. So keep this in mind. Ordinal numbers are adjectives. They go before the noun, like in English, but you need to change their endings because they are adjectives. And this is a rule that applies to all Italian adjectives. And if you don't have this clear, I have plenty of videos that talk about this concept. Especially check out my videos about parts of the sentence in Italian, which is going to give you a good overview of all these terminology and parts of the sentence. Okay, guys. So this was all about ordinal numbers for today. I would really like you to make your own sentences. Why don't you try to make a few sentences with ordinal numbers and post one sentence or more in the comments below using what you just learned. As always, buona giornata, have a great day e a presto. See you soon. Ciao da Valentina.